In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML and CSS code in Silex. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the editor, how to place a custom code block, and how to safely add your own HTML and CSS so it looks the way you intend. First, open your browser and go to silex.me. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your projects. Once you're in, head to the My Sites area. This is where Silex lists all of your websites and drafts. Choose the project you want to work on and click it to open it in the editor. Give it a moment to load your canvas and tool panels. Inside the editor, look to the left-hand side. You'll see a toolbar with elements you can add to your page. Click the plus icon to expand the list of available elements. From this panel, find the Custom Code option. Click it, then drag and drop it onto your page where you want your code to live. You can reposition and resize the block just like any other element. So place it thoughtfully within your layout. If you're working with sections or columns, try to keep the code block inside the correct container to maintain responsive behavior. Now it's time to insert your code. Open the Custom Code Blocks editor and paste your HTML. If you have CSS, you can include it inside a style tag at the top of your snippet so it stays scoped to this block. To avoid conflicts with the rest of your site, consider wrapping your HTML in a unique parent div with an ID or class and target that in your CSS. This helps keep your styles from overriding other parts of your page. If your code references images or fonts, make sure those URLs are correct and publicly accessible. Keep your snippet clean and self-contained. Comments can help you remember what each part does later. Before finishing, glance over your code for typos or missing closing tags. Small mistakes can cause big visual issues. When you're satisfied, click Save in the Code Editor and then save your project in Silex. If something doesn't appear as expected, return to the code block, adjust your HTML or CSS, and save again. A quick refresh of the preview can help confirm your changes. That's it. You've added a custom code block, placed your own HTML and CSS, and saved your work inside Silex. With this workflow, you can extend your design beyond the default elements while keeping everything organized and easy to manage.